Check the frame again.
This,
Like
this.
yeah, focus on the other
this.
person also.
So bad you are, yeah.
No,
You're so
I'm just saying
mean.
this. I'm just saying the right thing.
You're from Mumbai?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Where are you from?
I am from Rajasthan.
राजस्थान?
Yeah.
कहाँ से?
Jodhpur.
Oh, nice. मैं उदयपुर रहा हूँ 3 साल.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I love Udaipur.
हाँ,
Like,
I
I'm from
love
Jodhpur,
Udaipur.
But then I love Udaipur.
मैं I used to run उदयपुर के जो फतेह सागर लेक है ना उसके पूरा ऐसे सराउंड करके I used to run.
Nice.
Yeah.
Swim also there, no? Jump and all.
हाँ ना? मस्त जगह है वो.
Lovely, lovely. Best for sunsets. And
Yeah. मस्त लगता
Fate
था.
Sagar to sunsets are like my favorite thing.
Yeah.
I've lived in Delhi also and now in Bombay since like 2 years.
You talk very fast. क्या reason है
I
उसका?
speak a lot of I speak a bit.
Why? Like, is
I
it
don't know,
related to work or something? No.
I'm just like that.
Just like that. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई न्यूज़ एंकर बात कर रहा है मुझसे.
I am like that and that is why I chose that profession also for me.
हाँ.
Yes.
Yeah.
So nice.
कब गई थी तुम उज्जैन?
And you're back.
You're back. Oh nice. Did you like it?
I keep on going to Banaras. For
Banaras?
Kashi Vishwanath.
हाँ.
Yeah, but I also enjoy Mahakal. But there's no opportunity I could just go back there.
Do you like to talk to strangers?
I do because I am a street photographer as well. So
Yeah.
I click people's pictures and then they're like, dikhao hame. So I randomly just go to them, have a conversation because that makes them feel also very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So yeah.
If you can make someone smile.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I like to do that. When I talk to people now, I'm like कि चलो बात करके देखते हैं. अगर जो वो लोग interested होंगे बात करने में, तो I'll make them smile for a few
Right,
minutes and then
right.
I'll head off on my way. So it's good.
Yeah, it's not wrong to be kind and make people smile. It's lovely.
Yeah. So many people are very shy to talk to. So बहुत सारे लोग नहीं भी बात करते हैं.
Right.
So I always, what do you do in that case? अगर कभी जा रहे हो and people don't talk, तुम कैसे handle करते हो?
I think I leave with a smile. I mean, I am not mad at them or something.
Yeah.
I leave with a smile, and that probably, if they are rude also, if they are angry also, that just makes them, like grounded and polite or something like that.
Yeah.
That just does that.
Same, bye. I do this all the time. Like, even if someone rejects me or they don't want to talk to me,
Right.
or they are very busy or whatever the reason is, I just wish them have a nice day and then
Yeah.
I'm on my way.
Yeah.
Because बात तो मैं ही करने गया था ना. उनको कैसे कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
Exactly. I mean, yeah.
So do you Instagram पे भी कोई पेज है तुम्हारा? Do you own a
Yes.
page?
Yes.
Yeah, you
It's-
post photography वाले.
I do photography. Yes,
Ah,
and I
nice.
post. So as in now, when did you start your page? When did you start all such things?
Last December I started.
Wow,
And,
you grew very fast. Last
Yeah.
December is what, 2023 or 2024?
1 year back.
2023
Yeah.
December. Okay, that's
So
so cool.
December में I started with I used to give out roses for people like who are sad or lonely.
Okay,
feel
okay.
lonely.
I've seen videos like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I used to do it in Pune, and
Okay.
then people were like, how do you talk to strangers? यार, I don't know. बहुत से लोग बोलते थे, I was like, ठीक है, मैं initial जैसे मैं approach करता हूँ वो भी दिखा देता हूँ. So then I started posting the whole video.
Right.
And then
right.
लोगों ने बहुत relate किया कि यार ये मतलब बात करना possible है. ऐसा नहीं है कि टैबू बना हुआ है ना. कि यार कैसे बात करें, हम कोई रिजेक्ट कर देगा तो हम क्या सोचेंगे. लोग डरते हैं बहुत रिजेक्शन से. I'm not afraid of it anymore. Like I to get rejected on a regular basis, I guess now. So
Once you lose that fear, I think you're just doing good. I mean,
Yeah.
confidence is the key.
How are you so mature?
A lot of people say that to me, but yeah, I mean, I'm friends with a lot of people who are like elder to me only. So I think it is from that conversation that I've learned so much, like from elder people only, from friends
Okay.
who are like, yeah.
एक तो तुम जितना फ्लुएंट हो मुझे तो उसी से डर लग रहा है. मैं न्यूज़ एंकर से बात कर रहा हूँ. बिल्कुल ऐसे एक शब्द नहीं अटक रहा. बिल्कुल फ्लुएंटली.
Thank
और
you,
मैं
man.
बोलते 4 बार कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे हो जाता हूँ.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. But that was your sole idea, as in to like approach people and then make them happy and like smile or
Yeah.
something. Is that what the idea? Like your idea only?
मेरा हाँ kind of वो भी
Really
है
good, really
plus it's like कि guys there are so many guys who are not like who don't act like men anymore. They don't know how to talk to girls or
That's
they
so
don't know
true.
how to approach also.
That's so true.
घूरते रहेंगे देखते रहेंगे या फिर उसको अनकंफर्टेबल कर देंगे लेकिन बात नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
बात इससे बेटर है कि तुम एक बार बात करके देख लो. बात होगी तो होगी, नहीं होगी तो नहीं होगी. एटलीस्ट वहाँ पे बात खत्म तो हो जाएगी ना.
Right,
So,
right. That
please
makes
be
us feel very unsafe also.
Yeah.
Like at workplace, at like in general, on streets, or probably anywhere where you live, probably somewhere like that also.
True.
It does.
So what kind of guys do you like?
Loyal.
Loyal.
Trustworthy, loyal, trustworthy, and kind.
Kind.
And someone who shows interest in my work, or
Okay.
someone who's also doing something interesting so that I could show some interest. And yeah, I mean, that's all. Really, that's all. Understanding.
ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग कर रहा हो उसकी लाइफ में भी, एंड दे
Yeah.
एक्सपेक्ट द सेम थिंग फ्रॉम यू आल्सो,
Yeah,
डू
right.
समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग.
Right, right, right.
Not many people are doing that. Like आजकल what I see is corporate में बहुत सारे लोग they just work 9 to 5 and they don't do anything else. Like I don't understand कि कैसे बोर नहीं हो जा रहे हो आप.
Yeah, I mean, apart from like work is good, of course. I mean,
Yeah,
if you
of
respect your
course.
work, crazy.
Yeah.
But then apart from that, also, like, what is your calling? What does your heart say? As in, you know, what are you looking for in life in general,
God,
apart
your
from
thoughts.
work? Yeah. So
I like your thoughts.
so I like people who are like into art and or not even art, just
Yeah.
something that they're doing apart from it. Even like
Oh,
sports
thank
or
you.
little
Thank you.
sports also.
Thanks.
Oh wow. So in general, sports or
Yeah.
something else like anything, you know, for yourself.
True.
Yeah.
True. अच्छा, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? So if I click a picture and if I get a compliment, you know, that wow, crazy picture. I really like your perspective. So when someone compliments my perspective, I love it. Like I'm
Yeah.
just happy all day. I'm smiling. I'm just like wow, मैंने ये click करा है. So that makes me happy. A compliment on my work, on my art, that makes me happy.
That makes you happy. Nice.
Nothing can beat that. Like if someone compliments that I'm wearing a nice like outfit or something,
Yeah.
I'm fine. I was like, yeah, thank you so much.
Fine. Fine.
But if you compliment something that I did,
Yeah.
so cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Your work makes you happy.
Work makes me happy
Yeah.
because I really, really love my work. I enjoy it.
बहुत कम लोग बोल पाते हैं ये आज की तारीख में
Yeah,
कि
because
हमको हमारा काम पसंद है.
Yeah, but if you do something that you love, if that is your passion,
Yeah.
I don't think so you'll ever bored of it.
True.
Yes.
So I picked the right person to talk to at this point in time. Perfect.
Yeah.
Tell me, तुम्हारे दिमाग में सबसे ज्यादा थॉट्स किस चीज को लेके चलते हैं?
Apart from work,
Mhm.
apart from work, so I'm also a freelancer and I also work with an agency full time. So since I'm a freelancer, I keep on thinking about what creative work I can pick next time.
Ah.
And apart from work, I think I look for making myself happy more, like, you know,
Mhm.
doing something that will just make me smile, and being with friends, and you know how I can make someone like happy, or probably, you know, something that will just make me smile, because if I make someone else like a little happy or something, that just makes me feel really, really well. So yeah, that's what I do in my pastime. I just enjoy myself or my friends, something like that.
Do you get compliments a lot on your thoughts? या फिर जब
So
तुम
a lot of
दोस्तों
people
के
say
बीच में
that
होती है?
so a lot of people say that you're not your age. I mean, you're not acting your age. You're acting like much
Yeah,
elder.
I just said
that's
that.
what. Yeah, that's what people say.
Because I felt it, no?
yeah.
जैसी तुम बातें कर रही हो,
Guess
I
my
felt
age though. Guess my age.
it. I want to.
Guess.
Okay. 23.
Correct. I mean, nobody says 23, but okay, wow. I just turned 23.
Okay.
Yeah.
See?
Wow.
Wow.
That's nice. That's nice. People generally say 25, 26 or something. But yeah.
Because your thoughts are so mature, no?
Yeah. I mean, I've never seen people doing that, you know.
Yeah, I to love it.
Like people learning from other people how they are taking up the conversation ahead and all. That's
Yeah.
really cool point.
That-
Because a lot of people think about such things. They're like just stop us like, hi, how was your day? And then you know, what are your hobbies? And then what do you do in a pastime? And that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
What else? मतलब कुछ पूछना, कुछ नया कुछ नहीं पूछते हैं.
Right.
And then वहाँ पे conversations वो ऐसे हो जाता है फिर. So
Yeah.
I तो like to talk about anything and everything. Like मैं तो खुल जाता हूँ, मैं फैल जाता हूँ फिर कि मुझे सब कुछ जानना है. I'm very curious.
Yeah. Okay. That's
I just
really
like to talk to people. तो मुझे सब जानना है फिर.
What is your favorite thing to do
My favorite thing in the day or in general?
in general?
In general,
Yeah.
like workout is one thing that I really like. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
That's really
वो अगर होता है तो मेरा दिन अच्छा जाता है.
That's really
वो अगर
nice.
नहीं होता है तो फिर मेरा दिन ऐसा ऐसा ही जाता है. Because वो थॉट चलते रहते हैं कि यार आज किया क्यों नहीं.
Right. Right.
मॉर्निंग का जो था वो कर लेना चाहिए.
Right, right.
That is one thing I love.
Yeah.
Then I like to talk to strangers like yourself. So अगर किसी दिन कोई अच्छा इंसान मिल जाता है, उनकी बातें मुझे अगर बहुत अच्छी लगती है, उनसे थोड़ा डीप कॉन्वर्सेशन अगर होता है, तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी
Oh, that's
कि
nice.
मैंने किसी एक इंसान से भले ही वो 5 मिनट के लिए ही था, बट एक
But
कनेक्शन बिल्ड
they'll
किया.
remember the conversation. They'll
They'll
remember
remember
if
the
they're having a
conversation for
bad day.
lifetime.
Yeah, if they're having a
Yeah.
bad day and something that you just say, you know, randomly, some nice thought of you say, and they just change their day. You know, it was like, yeah, I mean, he said it. I mean, it's like I was just in my thoughts, and then someone just came and then gave me their perspective, and I'm gonna change.
Yeah.
So yeah,
And
that's nice.
I try to compliment people, like जो भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है उनके बारे में.
Yeah.
I try to compliment them. So उनका एक वो भी रहता है ना कि यार एटलीस्ट किसी ने हमको कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया है, तो उनका एकदम से थॉट्स बदल जाते हैं.
Yeah, right.
मूड चेंज हो जाता है. यहाँ कुछ
happens.
अलग हो गया हमारे साथ.
That happens.
एंड वो बहुत ही रेयरली होता है आज किसी के साथ, बिकॉज हर कोई अपने थॉट्स में है, हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में पूरी तरह से ऐसे झंझोड़ रहा है, लगा
Yeah,
हुआ है.
everybody is going through something or the other.
Everyone.
yeah.
एंड कुछ
true.
डिफरेंट होता है तो बहुत सारे लोग चौंक भी जाते हैं कि अरे हमारे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, मतलब दे आर आल्सो अफ्रेड ऑफ इट
Yeah.
कि अरे नहीं नॉर्मल चलने दो, जैसा मैं डेली हूँ वैसे ही रहने दो, मुझे अलग मत कुछ कराओ. तो
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग उन चीजों से डरते भी हैं.
Yeah, true. They don't want to change.
सो इफ लाइक व्हाट अबाउट यू, अगर तुम्हारे साथ कुछ नया एक्सपीरियंस आता है तुम्हारा, आर यू अफ्रेड ऑफ इट और यू आर लाइक कि नहीं मुझे नया है, लेट्स एक्सपीरियंस इट, इवन इफ इट्स बैड, आई विल remember it as an experience.
I am there with open arms. I mean, just I'm waiting for new opportunities every day.
Yeah.
I wake up and I thank God. I mean, I am full with gratitude and all. That, you know, I
Yeah.
just thank God for everything that He has given me. Like till now, I thank my parents. But I also every day look for more opportunities. Look where I can go more creative for my work, for myself.
Yeah.
Because even I do yoga, so I do
You
it
do?
every day, and then that makes me happy. So I thank God for everything that He's doing for me, and also looking forward for more opportunities, more creative opportunities, more adventurous opportunities like that.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I am also like मुझे कैसा रहता है ना कि I want to experience anything.
yeah,
कुछ भी नया हो रहा है ना,
Yeah.
let's do it, let's try.
Yeah,
देखेंगे कैसा भी होगा.
Yeah.
So yesterday only I was in the Geo Center, World Plaza.
Okay.
So there I met a girl. We
Okay.
recorded something.
Okay.
ऐसे random ही था. And then afterwards मैं जा रहा था स्टेशन की तरफ, and she was like ऑटो बुक करी थी and she was going to गुड़गांव. So I was like कि नहीं I'll walk off to Bandra and then मैं फिर चले जाऊँगा वहाँ से. She was like if you want to come मैं गुड़गांव तक जा रही हूँ. I was like नहीं at first मेरा डिफेंस वही था, नहीं I'll head off ऐसे.
yeah,
And then मैं थोड़ा ही आगे गया, मैंने रोड क्रॉस किया and I was like why not?
yeah.
Let's go with her ना. मतलब अकेले तो मैं जाने ही वाला था.
Right.
Let's go with her.
Yeah.
हम लोग ऑटो में बैठे. हम लोगों ने पूरे रास्ते बहुत, क्योंकि गोरेगांव बहुत दूर था.
Right.
हम लोगों ने बहुत बातें की. And after a certain point she was like, मैंने आज तक इतनी बातें किसी से नहीं की है, क्योंकि वो बहुत शाय सी भी थी.
Okay.
तो she was like, मैंने आज तक इतनी बातें मेरे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड से नहीं की है जितनी मैं तुमसे बता रही हूँ. I was like, क्योंकि स्ट्रेंजर्स जज नहीं करते ना,
Yeah,
तुमको तुम्हारे मन में से वो डर ही
true,
हट जाता है.
true,
Because you know
true,
कि हम आज मिल रहे हैं, हम कभी नहीं मिलने वाले इसके बाद.
Right.
So वो डर ही निकल जाता है कि यार ये क्या सोचेगा, उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. So it was a great experience.
Crazy. She's glad that she, you know, asked you for a ride together.
Afterwards I was also glad कि चलो नया कुछ experience.
Yeah.
Otherwise मैं तो जा ही रहा था
For
अकेले.
sure. Yeah.
तो कुछ different हुआ तो अच्छा ही लगता है.
Yeah.
Last time तुम रोई कब थी और क्या reason था?
Last time मैं रोई थी, याद करना पड़ेगा because I cried very
Don't say
less.
that. झूठ नहीं यार, झूठ
No, I
नहीं.
actually cried way back.
Okay.
It was probably something that happened with a friend.
Okay.
You know, like someone just ghosted me, or you know, I mean, it was a very convenience-based friendship, and I was expecting a lot from that friend. But then,
Okay.
the moment I cried, I was over it. You know, because
Oh my God.
yeah,
Just one
the moment
cry
I
to
cried,
go
I was over it because I have been through a little in
Okay.
like life. I will not say like a lot or something, but
Yeah.
I've been through something that has made me stronger. And now it doesn't really matter if someone stays in my life or no, because it really doesn't matter. I mean, you're just there for yourself. At the end of the day, you're just there for yourself. Nobody will be there in your life forever, or you know, will be there for like everything. You know, not even your parents will stay forever, like in your life.
Do you feel awkward sometimes?
No. So
अगर if you are on spot, do you feel awkward?
Not at all, because
Not at
I
all.
also travel, so I make videos like that only. When
Ah,
I
you do?
never used to like have camera.
Okay.
So by that time, when I used to travel, I used to just take my phone and then just go like that. I used to go on solo travel, but it was a group of strangers.
Ah,
So then I used to just capture myself like that. And by the end of the trip, people used to say, "भाई तुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता तेरे पास कौन है? You just do that." I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean,
इट्स अ गुड थिंग
that's
ना,
what you
मतलब
want to
इतना
do.
ज्यादा फर्क ना पड़ता है कि लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे तुम्हारे बारे में. हाँ, बट आई वांट टू आस्क यू,
Okay.
जो अभी तुम मुझे बोल रही थी,
क्या? That मैं कब रोई थी?
या नो, द रीजन दैट यू गेव मी कि कब रोई थी, बिकॉज कोई आता है, कोई जाता है तुम्हारे, कम जैसे
हाँ मतलब
कोई आ जाए, कोई
yeah,
जाता है तुम्हारी
yeah,
लाइफ से,
right,
एंड
right.
वो होना ही है, तो व्हाई वुड आई केयर अबाउट इट. मुझे ये बताओ, हाउ आर योर थॉट्स सो मैच्योर? ऐसा कुछ हुआ है तुम्हारी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस कि तुम उससे सीखी हो? बिकॉज तुम, आई डोंट नो तुम्हें कितने लोग बोलते हैं, बट योर थॉट्स आर वेरी मैच्योर फॉर योर एज.
Thanks a lot.
या
Yeah.
एंड ये थॉट्स ऐसे ही नहीं आते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं तुमने अगर ठोकर खाई हो लाइफ में, या तुम्हारे साथ कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो.
For sure.
तो तुम्हारे साथ रहा है क्या ऐसा? मेरे साथ तो रहा है.
सबके साथ रहता है आई थिंक,
Yeah.
बट कुछ सीख जाते हैं और कुछ नहीं सीखते. एंड देन अगर जो नहीं
True.
सीखते, यूनिवर्स जस्ट कीप्स ऑन गिविंग यू मोर टेस्ट्स एंड until you learn it.
The more you are talking, the more I am liking you.
Thanks
See,
a
for
lot.
me to like
Yeah.
people, I need to like their thoughts.
Yeah, definitely.
It's only their perspective, their thoughts on life, how do they think. मुझे उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है कि लोग कैसा सोचते हैं. वो अगर तुम किसी प्रॉब्लम में हो तो क्या वो और बढ़ा देंगे, या फिर वो सच में तुम्हें उस वक्त पे थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस फ्री कर सकते हैं. So, I don't know. What is it for you? What makes you like a person?
What makes me like a person? What makes me like a person is
Yeah.
how they are with themselves. Like what are their thoughts? What do they do really, like with when they are like away from everyone, like when they are
Yeah.
just alone.
Yeah.
So what are their thoughts? How are they as a person? How do
Yeah.
they introspect? What are their thoughts? What do they want to do? Like not in work life or something.
Yeah.
What do they want to do as like a human in humanity? What do they want to do? So that's what matters.
God. मैं सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, ये लड़की तुम सबसे अलग है. जरा थोड़ा सा देखो.
Do you say that to everybody you meet? Or
No.
just-
When you see the video,
I will
you'll
definitely
know.
check your
Yeah,
page
you'll
out.
know. Only a few people that I meet, and I like to talk to them. Then only I talk to them for a longer time, because I don't care about
Right.
the time in that case.
Right,
I want to
right,
experience that moment, because वो बहुत बार नहीं होता है. And कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो I'm going to remember them for life.
Yeah, for sure.
Because उन्होंने ऐसी बातें बोली है, like last time I met someone, and मैंने उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा. जो थॉट्स हैं, आई वाज लाइक यार इतना मैच्योर तो मैं भी नहीं हूँ, जितना तुम जैसी बातें कर रही हो ना, शायद उतना तो मैं भी आज की तारीख में उतना बोलने में कैपेबल ही नहीं हूँ कि मैं ऐसी बात बोल दूँ. एंड उसने ऐसी बातें बोली है, आई वाज लाइक आई नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू,
Yeah.
बिकॉज तुम्हारे थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अलग हैं, और बहुत ही डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव है. लोग नहीं सोचते ऐसा.
You have to hold it like a little.
Like this,
Yeah, check the frame again.
this,
Like
this.
yeah, focus on the other
this.
person also.
So bad you are, yaar.
No,
You're so
I'm just saying
mean.
this. I'm just saying the right thing.
What do you like to talk about with people in general?
So I really like to ask people what's the most adventurous thing they've done, or
You didn't
if
ask me.
they are adventurous, because you were asking if they are adventurous, or
Okay.
I mean, what are the fun things, fun activities that I've done,
Yeah.
fun things I've done, such things.
One of the fun things that I'm doing it's right now.
Sorry.
Talking to a beautiful girl.
Oh wow. What is the most adventurous thing that you have done?
Most adventurous. I don't know it was most adventurous or not, but एक हरीशचंद्र का ट्रैक था, and मुझे 104 fever था, and I just went there because I had a crush on a girl and she was also going there, and
So
हम same
cute.
team में थे, and I didn't want to miss that chance.
Wow.
So just because she was going, I couldn't hold back. I was like नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ, and मेरे सारे दोस्त थे, like teams थी पूरी.
Right.
So
right.
मुझे वो लोग हर जगह संभालते हुए लेके गए हैं. मतलब नाइट ट्रैक रहता है वो, एंड शायद 6-7 घंटे का कुछ ट्रैक रहता है. सो मुझे होश ही नहीं था, मुझे कब रास्ता खत्म हुआ, क्या हुआ, कब क्या हुआ, कुछ पता नहीं था. नेक्स्ट डे मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था कि रात को इन लोगों ने मुझे बस ड्राई फ्रूट लाके खिलाया था, क्योंकि मुझे खाना भी नहीं जा रहा था.
हाँ.
तो वो बस नाइट का वो कुछ टाइम याद था, एंड आई डोंट नो, बस मुझे जाना था. तो
But did you
वो-
like make your way out with the girl later on?
No.
Shit, man.
Yeah,
But
happens.
it's okay. I
Life
mean,
happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's completely fine.
Are you struggling with something in life?
Not anymore, because now that I've learned the mantra of it, that it doesn't
is the
really matter.
mantra?
It doesn't really matter who is there with you or not. You gonna be with yourself for life. So yeah, I mean, it's at the end of the day, it's just you and your thoughts around yourself, and then whatever your thoughts will be,
Yeah.
that will just make you, you know, like a person. So yeah, I mean, अब कोई जाता है आता है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Be it friends, be it anybody, like just a general thing. So a lot of people have like, you know, सबके साथ होता है, मतलब सब छोड़ के जाते हैं, कोई कुछ फ्रेंड्स कभी चले जाते हैं out of blue that
Yeah.
happens. जब कोई
Without
गलती भी नहीं
any
होती,
reason.
it leaves you confused, and then कोई कभी छोड़ के भी नहीं जाता, कभी कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी करते थे that hurts you, ठीक है. पर पहले बहुत फर्क पड़ता था, पहले I used to like make an issue, but not anymore, because you just, it's okay, people will do such things, that is how life goes.
Yeah.
But it's okay, it's fine, just forgive and move on.
There is a quote for this, जो तुमने बोला. If you want to come into my life, the gate is open.
Yeah,
If you want to go out of my life, the gate is open.
right.
Just don't block the traffic.
Yeah, let other people come.
Yeah, let them come.
Yeah, because
Let the
अगर
other
आप
people
टॉक्सिक
come.
इंसान को छोड़ोगे ही नहीं,
Yeah.
तो कोई अच्छा नहीं आ पाएगा. You will not.
नया कैसे कुछ
There'll be
होगा
no
तुम्हारी
space.
life में. Yeah.
There'll be no space.
Wow.
It's who you decides. I mean,
Talking to you is like feels good.
thanks a lot.
Thanks, man.
It's really cool.
Oh God, I get awkward sometimes. I get
But that's
called
so
out in
nice, nice,
public.
really nice.
Yeah,
That's what I like, you know, someone complimenting your work right there.
yeah.
So yeah, that's what I like.
Recently ज़्यादा होने लगा है and sometimes I get awkward थोड़ा सा, but yeah,
But it's nice. That is very human. Yeah.
yeah. देखो पहली बार मैंने फोन पकड़ा है, अब उसको लगेगा कि हमेशा फोन से रिकॉर्ड करता है. तो
Quality.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है
Right.
कि मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ अभी. अब वो रिकॉर्ड आधा तो हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं हुआ जिसमें तुम हो भी नहीं. But I am having a good time.
Right,
And that is
right.
what matters to me.
Right.
कि मतलब मुझे मजा आ रहा है, मेरा दिन अच्छा जा रहा है. What else? We have 2 more minutes. What else?
You were like checking time. How did you know?
I saw it.
मैं वही देख रही थी, मैंने कहा टाइम कितना बचा हुआ है, मतलब.
It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you so much. Same here.
Thank you so much.
Loved it.
You have a
Loved it.
nice time.
You
Have
too.
a very good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.